Hi guys, my name is Hannah. I'm a mom of a dog mom, and I would like to show you today this Instapot. So we've recently started using the Instapot and absolutely love it. It's made mealtime so much easier, just knowing that I can throw things in the Instapot and that's the cook for me. And I don't have to spend an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours putting dinner together every single night, which is really, really great. I love this one because it's the 7-in-1 feature, so it's got so many options that you can do with it. You can do anything from ribs, chicken, to yogurt, to rice, to eggs, to literally name it, and you can do it with this thing, which is fantastic, which I didn't believe at first, to be honest. I was like, I don't think one machine can do all of that. And since having it in a spot, I believe it. It's crazy. I love the fact that it's electric, so it all plugs in. You've got cord. Super easy. So it kind of works like a souped up crock pot, honestly. If you're used to using a crock pot, this is like a great next step. The lid is all suction released, so it's on right now in the proper way that it's supposed to be. It took us a minute to figure that out. So if you've got the steam valve in the back, then, and nothing on the lid in the front, that's how you know that it's all done properly. You twist it this way to get the lid to come off. Close it, you turn it the opposite direction, and then you're good to go. So that's super easy. The inside is all stainless steel, so that's really great. It's dishwasher safe, so basically you just rinse it off. Then you pop it in the dishwasher, you're good to go. It comes with this rack. I like to use this for your chicken, your ribs. Meat usually is what I like to use it for. And then the pot is a really sturdy pot, and it's stainless steel, so you just rinse it off, you pop in the dishwasher, you're good to go. I think this is a 6-quart pot, if I'm not mistaken, so it holds quite a bit, which is really awesome. But yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic and made our cooking so much easier on a day-to-day basis. You've got your steam valve in the back. So this controls the steam depending upon your recipe. You can let off the steam, or you can heat the steam in, and then this will pop up depending upon the steam levels as well. And then you've got your drip pan in the back, so this guy, and this pops out so you can clean it as well. What I usually do is I will use it and then I'll rinse off the lid, I'll rinse off the rack and the steam that's still pop. Put those in the dishwasher, wipe this down, and then I'm good to go. Super easy. So if you're looking for something that's going to be able to help mealtime be a little bit easier, be able to help you to do some batch cooking, not have to cook every single night, this is what I would recommend.